What's going on, guys? Today we are out at 3888 Sandprint Drive in Destin, Florida. This home is located in a little community called Dunes of Destin with a total of 6 bedrooms and 7 baths. This home is just under 4,400 square feet. You'll be sure to appreciate the private dipping pool as well as the private community beach access. Make sure you stay tuned till the end so you get to see the amazing Gulf views.
This place is amazing. As you come in, it's going to be a first living room here to the left. You'll see the little view of the pool in the background. Obviously, you got an elevator in a baller house like this. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9 bunks in the first floor there. Capacity is everything in these type of properties to really make money. Got your little champagne dipping pool in the backyard with a barbecue area, of course. From there, you got a little 2-car garage on the side. Check out there. Plenty of parking. You're going to need all the parking with how many people can sleep in this place. Going up to level number 2, we're taking the stairs rather than the elevator just for funsies. Living space. Look at that fan. I love that fan in the second floor. This is going to be the main living area. You got a beautiful, massive kitchen. This is going to be bedroom number 1 officially here. Cool little beam ceilings, shower, everything done to the nines, floor to ceiling, tile on those. That's where the elevator is into this beautiful little dining space with awesome light fixture there. Into the other side of the second floor here is going to be bedroom number 2. Me enjoying the bed there, ensuite. I think every bedroom in this house has en-suites, which is obviously great when you're doing short-term rentals. Everyone likes to have their own bathroom. Separate little balcony there that we didn't have time to go show you, but you'll see some pretty awesome views here in a second as we go up to the 3rd floor. Stepping up to the 3rd floor here with beautiful hardwood floors everywhere. We have another bunk space, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, and all of these bunks are queen bunks, so you can actually sleep 2 kids in each one of those. Another shared bath out there. To the left here, you see a little wet bar area. Enjoying that. And there's an elevator behind us into another little dining space. See bedroom number 3 here. Whited out everything. Whited out little picture frame they got there. Again, ensuite here into another bath. This will be bedroom number 4, I believe. I lose count sometimes in these large houses. As you exit this bathroom, you're going to see we're going to go into another bedroom. This is going to be another master suite out here with an ensuite. You're fully hooked up in this house. Now here's like the creme de la creme though. As you walk out, go up the little circular staircase and to see an amazing view on the top of the house here. Truly awesome views of the Gulf, and just stellar views that you're not going to be able to get anywhere else for these prices. Hey guys, if you're looking for more houses like this that are gorgeous houses, save on taxes, and massively cash flow, check us out. Hit us up.